This is a 2005 Astra diesel, 1.9 diesel sump plug. Look at the state of it. My poor kid comes over and says, Dad, I can't do an oil change, I can't get the sump plug out. So that's basically the condition of the sump plug. I had to use basically nutfuckers to get it out. But we got it out, and we can't find one locally to replace this thing. So the general plan is to machine down this old part of the nut just enough to fit this baby on. Just another nut. So we'll slide it over the top, as like so, and then we'll run a nice little crown weld inside that nut just on the top, and then job done. Don't want to put too much heat into it because we don't want to warp this flange, because this flange houses and presses against the copper washer, and that copper washer presses up and mates against the aluminium sump. So we want to make as little heat as possible, but tidy this, what used to be a 12mm, well, seems to be what used to be a 12mm nut on top, replace it with this 19mm jobby, and then we've got a fully functioning and usable sump plug again. I'll show you the repair job after we finished. Hopefully I don't make a friggin' meal of it, but yeah, another emergency repair for me to do on a Saturday afternoon. So I've managed to just shave enough off that destroyed part of the nut, just take the rough edges off for this replacement nut to fit over the top. So we can do that, and we just push it right against the flange, and you can see the way it's fitted up. Sorry about the focus, I'm all over the shop. The way it's fitted up, you leave this bit of a valley in there, which we can weld up on the TIG, which I'll do momentarily. And once that's all done up, depending on how it looks, I might just machine it flat or machine a dome on it. But then we've got a brand new oversized nut. Well, replaces what the original nut was, but nice fresh sides, and we should be good to go. Win. So if I don't completely balk this, it should be quite successful. See how we go. It's only going to be low current, so we're only going to be about 20 or 30 amps, I think, would be enough to work our magic. Make sure it's sitting flat. Okay, we currently got 50 amps full current, and then 20 amps pulse. We might reduce that pulse to next to nothing, actually. We want setting, yeah, 1 hertz pulse, 1 pulse per second. 20 amps, we'll go down to, can we go to 0? No, 10 amps, that'll do. I'll see how that goes. Just want to gently weld the thing without overcooking it. Not super perfect. I did sort of take out the edge of the nut there, but that's okay. I think for the most part, once it cools down, I'll tidy that up in the lathe, and we should be good. Okay, so that's the finished product. Not perfect, but certainly better than what we started with. So there you go. Thanks for watching.